If you are searching for the top e-learning platform to enhance your skills in IT cloud services management systems, then you have come to the right place. Punyam Academy is a globally recognized training provider that offers more than 200 skill upgrade courses. What is ISO IEC 27017? ISO IEC 27017 is an information security framework for organizations using, or considering, cloud services. Cloud service providers need to comply with this standard because it keeps their cloud service customers, and others, safer by providing a consistent and comprehensive approach to information security. What is the purpose of ISO 27017? ISO 27017 supplements the ISO IEC 27002 framework for cloud computing environments by including supplementary information, security measures, and implementation guidance. This framework provides implementation guidance on 37 controls found in ISO IEC 27001, as well as 7 additional requirements. Key points about ISO IEC 27017. Scope applies to organizations that provide services within the cloud computing environment and have an information security management system (ISMS) in place. Purpose provides additional guidance for implementing ISO IEC 27002 information security controls within a cloud computing environment. What does it cover? Data protection, safeguarding sensitive data both at rest and in transit. Access control, implementing strong access controls to prevent unauthorized access. Incident response, having well-defined procedures for responding to security incidents. Business continuity, ensuring that essential services can continue to operate in the event of a disruption. Cloud-specific controls, addressing unique security challenges posed by cloud environments, such as shared responsibility models, clarifying who is responsible for what between the cloud service provider and the customer. Virtualization security, protecting virtual machines and their configurations. Data separation, isolating data from different customers. Why is it important? Enhanced security. ISO IEC 27017 provides a structured approach to managing security risks in cloud environments. Increased trust. By adhering to this standard, cloud service providers demonstrate their commitment to robust security practices, building trust with their customers. Compliance. Many organizations require their cloud service providers to be ISO IEC 27017 certified, making it a compliance necessity in certain industries. Who benefits? Cloud service providers. By implementing ISO/IEC 27017, providers can differentiate themselves in the market, attract more customers, and reduce the risk of security breaches. Cloud service customers. Customers can have greater confidence in the security of their data and applications when their provider is ISO/IEC 27017 certified. How to get certified? Documentation, creating and implementing a comprehensive information security management system, ISMS, based on the standard's requirements. Assessment, undergoing an audit by a certified auditor to verify compliance. Certification, if the organization meets the requirements, they will receive the ISO/IEC 27017 certification. To implement ISO 27017 for cloud services management, you can assess your current cloud security, evaluate your current cloud security practices, and identify any gaps against the ISO 27017 requirements. Create a remediation plan. Create a plan to address the gaps, including timelines, resources, and responsible individuals. Conduct a risk assessment. Determine the risks that could affect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your assets and systems. Determine the level of security controls needed. Based on the risk assessment, determine the level of security controls needed. What is an ISO IEC 27017 lead auditor? An ISO IEC 27017 lead auditor is a certified professional who has the knowledge and skills to assess an organization's compliance with the ISO IEC 27017 standard. This standard provides guidelines for implementing information security controls specifically designed for cloud services. Key responsibilities of an ISO IEC 27017 lead auditor. Auditing, conducting audits to evaluate an organization's adherence to the ISO IEC 27017 standard. Risk assessment, identifying, analyzing, and assessing information security risks related to cloud services. Control implementation, verifying the implementation of appropriate security controls to mitigate identified risks. Documentation review, examining relevant documentation, such as policies, procedures, and records, to ensure compliance. Nonconformity identification, pinpointing areas where the organization deviates from the standard's requirements. Report writing, preparing comprehensive audit reports detailing findings, recommendations, and corrective actions. Training and awareness, providing training and awareness sessions to organizations on ISO IEC 27017 principles and practices. How to become an ISO IEC 27017 lead auditor. Gain experience, acquire practical experience in information security management and cloud computing. Obtain certification, complete a recognized ISO IEC 27017 lead auditor training course and pass the certification exam. Professional development, stay updated on the latest industry trends and best practices through continuous learning. ISO IEC 27017 lead auditor training course. Comprises following 8 sessions. Course objectives: ISO/IEC 27017. Familiarize with ISO 27017 standard for cloud services, including benefits of certification. Understand ISO 27017 documentation structure. Know about the types of auditing and questioning techniques. Understand how to perform and/or lead certification audits with the use of audit checklists. Understand the concepts of risk management, risk evaluation, and treatment. Modules of e-learning. E-learning with video tutorials. Handout in PDF format. Sessions and final exam. Training certificate. These are the dominant features of this online course, which is cost and time efficient, fast and effective, and offers convenient and flexible training that can be accessed from anywhere and anytime. Who should attend this course? A working professional. A student. An entrepreneur. An individual looking for auditor certification online courses. Other people who have found this course useful. For more details, please visit our website at www.puniamacademy.com.